Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Seeqle. No, begin. To start subscribing with Seeqle, first, open your web browser. Type Seeqle in the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official Seeqle website link. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form requesting your email address and password. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Once you've filled in the details, look for a checkbox for terms and conditions. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, then check the box if you agree. Click on the Create Account or Submit button to proceed. After submitting, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Seeqle. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected back to the Seeqle website. At this point, log in using your newly created credentials. Navigate to the subscription section of your dashboard. Choose your desired subscription plan from the available options. Review the details of the plan to ensure it meets your needs. Enter any required payment information securely. Once you've completed the payment details, confirm your subscription. You will receive a confirmation message about your successful subscription. Finally, enjoy exploring the features Seeqle has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.